Sometimes when you mess up the programming and you don't know what to do, and the best way to fix the mess is to manufacturer reset the keypad. So you can, after the reset, you can restart everything again from the beginning and no problem fixing it. And also, when someone in your house or your roommate leave or move out, and you can change the pin of the keypad. So whoever left can come back again through your garage door. So today I'm going to show you how to do those two things. Today I'm going to show you how to do a manufacturer reset of your keypad. During the time when you mess up on programming and you don't know what to do, all you have to do is do a manufacturer reset. To reset it, all you have to do is press the program and up and down button together. So let me show you. My code was 123 before. So to do the reset, I'm going to hit the program and the up and down button together. For 5 seconds, you see it blink one time. The green light now it already been reset and shouldn't be working when I put 123. Let's try it. Now it doesn't work, so it been reset. Today I'm going to show you how to change the pin of your keypad. My keypad number is 123, so let me show you. So to program your pin, first put down your pin number 1, 2, 3. Hit the program button once. Now you see the red LED light. Now put down your new code. My new pin will be 4, 5, 6, and hit the program button once. Now you reprogrammed it to the new pin number. Let's try it. 4, 5, 6. Now it works. That's how you program the new pin code. Thanks for watching.